Have you ever wanted to learn a new language, or are you tired of pretending you understand what's going on in your French class?
Or maybe you're planning to travel abroad or you're in a location where the native language is unfamiliar to you.
How would you normally go about learning this new language? Maybe use Duolingo or prefer to just memorize vocabulary.
David Curry, a journalist for Business of Apps, conducted a study just a few months ago and found that roughly 5% of language learning is done via mobile devices, with a staggering 90% of learners still using offline methods.
You might be thinking to yourself, how's that possibly accurate? It's 2022. Most people must be using some type of advanced language learning tech by now.
The answer might surprise you, but the issue most learners face with these apps is that most are not sophisticated enough for users to truly understand a new language, or have yet to be updated with current technology. This means most users will usually end up having to buy additional courses or pay ridiculously expensive subscription fees.
I don't know about you, but the last time we checked, speaking languages never cost anyone a single cent. So why should we charge people to learn them?
It's time to update language learning to the digital age. Cancel those subscriptions and replace that little green bird with LangLens, a free augmented reality language learning web app specifically designed for users like you.
The idea behind LangLens originally arose from Dr. Kim King, a professor in the Department of English at Northern Arizona University.
She noticed that most tools currently offered to language learners fail to utilize the latest AR technology.
While some do have AR capabilities, such as Mondly, they fail to use both object detection and text recognition features while also focusing on the key elements of language learning. Or even worse, they have these features locked behind expensive paywalls and subscriptions.
LangLens aims to solve these problems with a completely free language learning web app that is accessible from any mobile device no matter where you are in the world.
With LangLens, you can bring language to life as you interact with the world around you using the latest advances in AR technology.
No more subscription fees or flipping through outdated workbooks. With LangLens, learning a new language has never been easier.
All you have to do is select your target language, scan any object or word you can see, and watch as the environment around you translates right before your eyes.
You might be wondering, that's cool and all, but if I needed a translator, why wouldn't I just use Google Translate?
That's a good point, but we're more than just a translator. We're an entire learning experience that takes language learning to a whole new level of interaction.
After each scan, LangLens will display a learning page with a definition, proper sentence usage, pronunciation, and even a related image.
Not only will LangLens revolutionize the language learning market by attracting more consumers online, but with LangLens, the ability to learn a new language is quicker than ever, as anyone with a mobile device can simply open our web app, interact with, and understand the very world around them.
To find out more about LangLens, visit our website. You can also click the link that's in our description below. From there, you can check out our conceptual designs, stay up to date on our current development process, and leave us any suggestions or feedback regarding the application. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you're excited for LangLens.